Okay, today we're moving on from cylinders and we are going to take a look at cones, which is very similar to a cylinder actually. So we just watched a video in class about that three cones fit inside a cylinder, and that should make some sense because here if I draw a sketch, I have my cylinder. I could fit, if I find the center of the circle, I have, fix that, I have one, if I extend this just a little bit, I have one, two, three cones inside of this cylinder. Okay, so that's why we're taking our pi r squared times height. This should have an h here. And I'm just taking that times a third or divided by 3. It's the same thing. So this is our formula for a cone. So I do want you to write this formula down. All right, so we're going to do some examples. Here I have a cone. Remember, radius is always on our circle. So in this case, 2 is r because it's on the circle, and 4 is height. So if we use our formula, we have 1/3 pi r squared times height. Our radius is 2 and our height is 4. Okay. So when you put this into your calculator, you have 1/3, 2 squared, and 4 all multiplied together. This is 16 thirds pi. Okay, this is your exact form. Okay, your rounded form, if you hit your toggle button, is 16.8. Okay, and then remember, we're filling this up with cubes, almost like ice cubes. So our units are cubed, cubic inches. All right, here, 7 is on my circle, but it's going all the way across. So 7 is my diameter, which makes my radius 7 divided by 2, or 3.5 is my radius. Okay, 9 is my height. So when I use my formula, 1/3 pi r squared times height, my radius is 3.5 and my height is 9. Okay, your exact form is 147 over 4 pi. Okay, exact. And then our rounded form, if we hit our toggle button, is 115.5 cubic yards. All right, last example. In this case, 4 is on our circle, but this is our diameter. So to find our radius, we need half of that. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 is my height. So in my formula, 1/3 pi r squared times height. Radius is 2 and height is 6. And then your exact form, if you type this in, is 8 pi. And then rounded form is 25.1 cubic meters. Okay? So really on here again, you just need to be careful that you're using your radius every time and not the diameter. So keep an eye out for that. Your assignment today is a worksheet, so raise your hand and I will get that to you.